Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your goal on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the home page, and go to the account icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the My Activity section click to the Set Your Goal button, and here you can select what is the main reason you want to learn German, because my selected language is the German, and you can select the travel, school, work, skill improvement, family, friends, or personal interests, and just select a topic and click to the confirm button. Here you can select your level, basic, independent, or proficient, and just select one and click that and go to the next button. Here you can select time. Just select one and click to the next, and click to the confirm goal option, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.